Hello, boys and girls. Today I am going to talk about lesson 2.1, which involves a visit to Washington. Not really, but on paper. And for vocabulary today, there is nothing. So you don't have to write any words down there for your notes. I do want to review, however, some things that you're going to be using in class that might be helpful. And one of them is frames and arrows. And this is something that you learned previously, as long as you've been in Greenfield schools, in 3rd grade, 2nd grade, 1st grade. So frames and arrows basically works like this. They give you a rule in the first box. So I've got an example here. Our rule is +3. And we're going to start with the number 9. And if you add 3 to 9, you're going to get 12. And if you add 3 to 12, you're going to get 15. So if we take a look at the next one below that, I've got a rule of -6, and our first number is 12. So of course 12 minus 6 is going to give me 6, and 6 minus 6 is going to give me 0. So that's just a little refresher on frames and arrows. The other thing that we want to focus on with this lesson is our extended facts, and I have been noticing that some of you are having some trouble with this. So let's look at this for a moment. When we have an extended fact, we're basically looking at a problem that they have taken a basic fact and they've added zeros to the numbers and changed the value. So all you're going to do is add 4 plus 8, and then you're going to add 1 0. But the best way to do that is to actually stack your numbers so that you can see that you're just bringing one of those zeros straight down, and you come up with an answer of 120. Okay, let's look at another one. If we have 300 plus 400, in this case I have 2 zeros instead of 1, and once again I want to stack my numbers. So I stack my numbers, and I'm going to bring those 2 zeros down and then add my 3 plus 4. Okay? So hopefully that might help stick in your head a little bit more. So here's our summary for this lesson. We're going to use frames and arrows to help us problem solve in our lesson, and you're going to be looking in your book in the World Tour section, learning some things about Washington. So you're going to take some numbers that you find with a partner and try to calculate some answers to those problems. 2, you're going to practice your extended facts, and you're going to watch those zeros. So that pretty much summarizes this lesson. There's not a whole lot to it. So thanks for watching.